India, that is Bharat, a historical journey through the nation's names. India, a land of diverse cultures, languages, and traditions, has been known by various names throughout its illustrious history. The name Bharat holds a special place in the heart of India's identity, tracing its origins back to ancient texts and legends, including the Mahabharata and the Rig Veda. According to the Mahabharata, India was named Bharatavarsha in honor of King Bharata Chakravarti, a legendary emperor and the founder of the Bharata dynasty. His conquests united the vast expanse of Greater India into a single political entity, which was aptly named after him as Bharatavarsha. This historical figure is considered an ancestor of the Pandavas and Kauravas, and a descendant of the Kshatriya Varna, highlighting the rich tapestry of India's past. The name Bharat also finds its roots in the Rigvedic tribe of the Bharatas, believed to be the progenitors of all the peoples of the subcontinent. This connection reinforces the deep historical significance of the name in shaping India's cultural heritage. While Bharat represents India's ancient identity, the name India has a different origin. It is derived from the river Sindhu, known as the Indus River in Greek since the time of Herodotus in the 5th century BCE. Initially, Bharat referred to the western part of the Gangetic Valley but later encompassed the entire Indian subcontinent and Greater India. Today, it denotes the contemporary Republic of India. The adoption of the name Bharat as a symbol of India's identity was enshrined in its constitution. Article 19(1) of the Indian Constitution states, "India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states." This constitutional recognition underscores the importance of Bharat in shaping the nation's legal framework. Furthermore, ancient Indian texts and Puranas have mentioned India as Bharatavarsha in various instances, further emphasizing the historical continuity of this name. Jata Bharata, as mentioned in the Bhagavata Purana, is one such reference, highlighting the enduring significance of the name Bharat through generations. In June 2020, the Supreme Court of India dismissed a PIL seeking to replace India with Bharat in the constitution. The court's decision affirmed that India is already called Bharat in the constitution itself, reinforcing the coexistence of both names within the nation's legal framework. In conclusion, India's history is a tapestry woven with diverse names and identities. Bharat stands as a symbol of its ancient roots, while India represents its historical interactions with the world. Both names coexist harmoniously in the nation's cultural and constitutional fabric, reflecting the unity in diversity that defines India, that is Bharat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.